Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. I will show you how to make design in Canva. Let's get started. The first, you need to go to heading. Then, choose any text from here. Write wild in the heading. Then, increase its size. Go to Canva fonts and change it to the Archivo black style. Then, you need to click on the R, which will add a square. Go to the color options and choose yellow. Then, make its size equal to the heading. You need to left-click, go to Layers, and click on Send to Backward. This will remove the background of your image. You need to go to the color options and change the color of Wild to white. Click on the Share button, select Download, choose PNG, and then click on Download. Then, you need to add the image. After that, go to the color options and add black to the background. You need to go to Edit Image, select Effect, and click on BG Remove. This will remove the background of your image. Go to Elements and add a grass image. Then, you need to left-click, go to Layers, and click on Send to Backward. This will remove the background of your image. Make the image equal in size to the wild title heading. You need to go to Color Options and change the background to yellow. After that, go to Share and click on Download. Then, you need to make the image blue. After that, add the downloaded image. You need to go to Edit Image, select Effect, and click on BG Remove. This will remove the background of your image. You need to increase its size. Then, you need to add the image of giraffe, then position it to be equal in size to the title. You need to go to Elements, search for grass, and add it. Then, you need to duplicate it and then set it. You need to go to Elements, search for bird, and add it. After that, position it upwards. Then, duplicate it and place it to the right. Next, go to Elements, search for cloud, and add it. Place it below the birds, duplicate it, and position it to the right. You need to go to Elements, search for tree, and add it. You need to reduce its size and add it in the correct position above the W. You need to add the grass below the tree. This is our photo. How did you like it? Subscribe to YouTube and bell icon.